Hi there! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to cut any part of the Windows screen. So, for example, I need this picture and words. Just press Windows key plus Shift plus S and you will have the Windows Cut app. Select any part. Now, it's cut and saved to clipboard. We can paste it in apps. For example, I create a Word file and paste it here. But you can paste it in any app. It's done. Here it is. I hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!